Hi, my name is Krishna Thapa and I'm living in Nepal right now. So I started my immigration process with Paul Abraham Immigration Consulting, and when the process was started it was going good, but in between I had some problems because of my language proficiency and I couldn't clear my IELTS exam in just one go. So they helped me with the course as well. They shared me a crash course for IELTS, and yes, that course helped me a lot. I had a team as well, the professional team of IELTS expert. They helped me, they told me some tips how to crack IELTS, and when I completed my course, yes, I cleared my IELTS as well. I got my IELTS certificate last month. I scored 7.5 bands and I'm very happy with that as well, because now I'm able to complete my immigration, and yes, within 2 months of time I will complete my immigration also. So yes, and yes, like Maham and the manager was there who helped me a lot. Her name was Maham, and my client manager, his name was Eric, and he also helped me. So yes, the thumbs up for Paul Abraham and their IELTS team.